All right, so we're back with losers finals here for doubles. Draxel and Joj versus Noah3 and Naga. Up next, we're gonna have a very spicy set here. Draxel and Joj actually showed a lot of heart, I would say, against Modderus and SDX. Not able to pull it out there in winners finals, but they have a chance to get back up there and fight them in grands. Draxel and Joj are low-key gonna, if they win this, obviously they're gonna outplay their seed, but it's just a really interesting thing seeing them come through, because I don't know how often these guys team together, how good their chemistry is necessarily, but they've been doing pretty well this whole tournament. Draxel, obviously a very strong doubles player, Joj a very strong player in his own right, and then you got Norm and Naga. Each one of them have tons of sauce. So it's just going to be interesting. It's going to be an interesting match. Yeah, I need somebody to replace me, though. My round one is Naga. All right. So we're starting right off on Smashville. Draxel and Joj, the blue team. So we're starting off right now, pretty solid from blue team here, just racking up percent. Naga already at kill percent for that limit cross slash, and that's going to be the first stock of the game. And I think we're going to see a lot of that from Draxel this time. I don't know if we're going to see the Captain Falcon switch again. It was it worked out for him a little bit, but it was a little unrefined. So I think he's just going to stick with Cloud. He's going to stick with the best doubles character in the game. And he's already putting on a ton of percent on Naga. And then Joj is coming through with some hits of his own, almost getting the forward smash there. He gets it that time. Naga is just getting bullied right now. Unfortunate. Noah3 unable to really help his teammate out there. Ooh, and Draxel tried to go for the limit hazard climb there, not getting it. He gets thrown off stage. Dare from Noah3 not taking it. Meanwhile, on the other side of the stage, oh wow, Draxel with the nair, taking another stock. Draxel is coming out of the gate taking a ton of stocks, just like what we've seen for most of this tournament. So it's very clear in terms of balance here, like who the big weapon is. A good kill by Joj with the up smash, but it's very clear who the big weapon is in terms of team balance. It's Draxel. If you want to win against this team, if you take out Draxel, you have to neutralize him. But I think that's going to be the key here, is to get rid of Draxel. Don't let him kill you. Obviously, you don't want to die, but I think that's going to be the key here. Right now, game one, they're going to have to adapt. This red team is looking like they're about to, get sauced on. Draxel with the limit.
Oh my gosh. I'm about to say he didn't enter.
Back air. He's going to have to use the limit there. Yup, he's definitely going to have to use the limit. Good idea by Noah3 to just pressure him off stage. Joj just doing his best to keep them a little bit separated here. These 1v1s are a lot better. Oh, that back air from Noah3. Big back air, actually gonna take the stock. He just threw it out there and caught him with his pants down, but the forward smash from Draxel is gonna kill Naga. And now, oh wow, banana and defer, okay. Not the banana and defer that I thought we were gonna see. And a down smash is gonna take it. So game one going to Draxel and Joj there. Noah3 and Naga were starting to show some signs of life, but unfortunately wasn't enough to take game one. But this is a best of 5 set. We're going to have a lot of games up ahead of us. So we'll see what happens. We'll definitely have to see what happens here. Draxel and Joj are looking rather crisp. We saw last set, Noah3 and Naga were also looking very good, so we'll see if they can adapt here and maybe pull out a game too. All right. Okay, a character switch from Naga where he's going Mario. We saw this before. We're going back to Smashville. So we'll have to see how this pick works out for them, but Naga did have to make the switch from Marth to Mario last set to really solidify that there. So I think there's could be a comfort thing, could just be that, oh wow, big damage by Naga to start off. But it could be just, you know, I think this is better for the matchup. I don't know. Oh wow, Draxel's dead. Rest in peace, Draxel. Red team taking the first stock there.
It's over for them. It's over. Damn, Cameron, that tag got fired. Dylan pulled up on it.
I think we're seeing a red team that's got a little more sauce, I would say, than last game. They're definitely using that momentum they got from the end of last game to make this a bit more interesting here. Although Joj is still just sneaking around. He's only got 64% on him. Joj doing a very good job of sort of lurking in the shadows and getting those big hits in when he needs to. No punish there from NOE3, and wow, Draxel's dead again. So I think the story of this game so far has just been Cloud's recovery sucks. You know, ooh, big down air from Draxel. Huge down air. All right, but Cloud's recovery, trash. Draxel has lost both of his stocks from being off stage. All right, NOE3 is going to throw Draxel off stage, and I think they're doing a good job of actually neutralizing Draxel. You know, when he's off stage, he can't do much. So they're going to have to rely on Joj a little bit more to get these kills, and I think they can handle Joj. Oh, big down air from Draxel again. He's got these huge down airs. They're just huge, Kyle. Enormous. Gargantuan. These intercontinental down airs from Draxel. Red team is on the ropes once again. So, I think all they need right now is to just get a kill on Draxel. I think once you get that kill from Draxel, maybe the dominoes start falling, and a big finishing touch from Draxel there.
Huge.
Hot damn.
Huge.
He just threw that out right in the middle. It's like playing free-for-all, man.
Yeah,
He just tossed it out there.
And it connects just like that.
Big finishing touch.
The biggest.
And Mario's finished.
So now all we got is NOE3 out here.
By himself, if you can believe that.
He could take out Draxel like
that big,
like that.
Big back air from Mega Man.
Big,
Untackable.
meaty back air.
He hits him with the rainbow.
So, let's see how this
That
goes
happy
now.
pride, bitch.
Whoa. So, we got, I mean, NOE3 is at a high percent. He's playing real safe. It's going to be hard to get in between all these projectiles. You got all the lemons.
Yes, I think NOE3 can do this. Joj needs his opening. All he needs is that one. But, oh, wow. Rest in peace to the banana.
Yeah, he shot out of existence. Lemons beat bananas. Keep that in mind, everyone.
Well, yeah, citrus is a lot sharper, and
Yeah. You know, just in flavor.
I'd rather season it like chicken with like lemon and something else than banana. I've never heard of like banana chicken.
No, you could try it. All right, so the up throw gets the up air. It does not kill.
Rest in peace to the hoo-ha.
Ooh, okay.
Had to
See
wait
that
for the leaf shield there, yeah.
You got a little hit in. Gonna rush right back.
This is
Shields back air.
This is definitely still doable by NOE3.
Oh yeah, absolutely. I know I don't think he's one for crazy footstool combos, but I think one could kill soon.
I have no idea.
I
I'm going to say yes just because he's got so much rage. Like, up till at this rage, oh, he caught the banana. Would be devastating
big
monkey flip, yeah.
there.
So he's at 170, 771. Oh,
Yeah.
the back air is going to connect his big old mega head. And,
So very clutch. It's like clutch from Joe J.
yeah, I mean, No E3 was high percent, but I mean, he was bringing it back. So good job just to connect with that back air, connect with anything. You know what I mean? He was having troubles just touching him. So pretty big.
It'd be like that.
It do be like that.
It sure
know?
do. Ron, I believe in you. I'm sorry. He's looking right at me. Okay, is Naga going Cloud?
He might go Cloud. He might go Marth.
He went Marth game
Or
one.
did he go Marth game one?
Yeah.
He was going back to
He
Mario.
switched back to the Mario. Yeah, for sure.
So we'll see how this goes for him. Sticking with the Mario. I mean, the Gimp ability against the Cloud makes a lot of sense, but I mean, it's hard in doubles, right? Like, it's hard to even get anything off.
Yeah. He's definitely red team is definitely on the ropes here. I think this is where it's time for the big boys to show out. You know.
Yeah, I mean, like,
Do you have it in you?
yeah, you got to show up. You got to.
It's like Gatorade. Is it in you?
Yeah.
No? Ha!
All right, so Naga starting off here with a pretty decent amount of damage, but now he's just getting piled on him of him. Wow, butchered my way through that one. Much like how Draxel is
I just did the world's
butchering.
longest yawn.
Just like how Draxel's
I couldn't
butchering
even help you out
Yeah,
there.
it's cool. I'll struggle. So the percent difference right now.
Yeah, dude, Naga's been getting bullied.
He really has. It's gross.
Just like last game, dude. Naga was getting just tossed around like a rag doll.
Yeah, it's not slowing down any either. He's already at 142.
Yeah,
I
dude.
mean, like a decent hit from either Drax, okay, or
Wow, tried to go for the limit
just
climb
missed it.
hazard. He wanted that real bad.
Oh yeah, just barely misses it though. So this is not okay. Well, never mind. As Draxel ends up sweeping the ledge with that up air, and F smash. Everybody get off of my stage. Naga's had enough. So no E3 now at the high percent. Along with Draxel, we'll see who goes out first here. I mean, no E3 already at the blast zone. Draxel looking to take him out, having a tough time getting the hit he needs, but Naga grabbing him instead. So
Yeah, Joje actually saving them from a lot of percentage there.
oh yeah.
Draxel
Ooh,
is at death
Draxel.
percent, but he had his.
He's dead.
He's dead.
He's
Wow.
dead.
Wowzers.
All it took is a dash attack. You know what I mean?
Yikes.
So you got no E3, high percent, and he's dead. Get that up smash coming in.
Yeah, and all the Dragon Balls are gonna scatter there. You'd have to wait a year to catch those again, but
Yeah. Unfortunate. All right, so Naga's still. I just feel like the whole game is just getting thrown around. Like
it's rough being a chubby Italian plumber.
it is. It's a tough life out there. That's all I'm saying. So,
I think
that's a misinput, and that's
no.
not good. He's gonna lose the stock off that
dude.
SD.
That might.
That's
That's
a momentum
huge.
killer. You know what I mean? For red team, like anything they had going, sometimes you can just feel it just drowned out of you. You get pulled out of you right there. Like,
Unfortunate.
yeah, we'll see how they recover, if they recover. As Draxel gets a throw. Oh, the
big
ping
finishing
pong.
touch there.
We got the finishing touch. Wow.
And another ping pong. Like this is why, dude. This is why people want Cloudman and Dubs. 'cause
Yeah,
that's icy as hell.
Wow. All right, so we'll see how this goes for the rest of this. I mean, no E3
Yeah,
in
he's-
another bad situation, really.
Dude, this is. I mean, he's got to take 4 stocks.
Yeah, that's brutal.
That's a gargantuan task for a little man.
Yes, especially against, you know, 2 of the best characters in the game. So, good. Goes
Yeah,
for the
he
finishing
went
touch.
for that.
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah,
okay,
and that's
yeah.
it. So a
That'll do it.
3-0 from Draxel and Joje.
Clean.
Up next, Grand Finals.
Got